So here's the new car. Changed the oil. Found out that it doesn't have a normal oil cap like most cars. Gotta use a crescent wrench for that. And then, let's see, it's right here. So if you guys are trying to change your LSA oil, you need one of these bad boys. Put tape on it so it doesn't scratch it. And then one of these pliers to get it, the oil cap off. Of course, you need your jack. And we'll get under the car. There we go. Then, right here, you can see, right yonder, there is a bolt. I believe it's a 1/2 inch. Pop that off. Drains. And this handy oil catcher. Impossible to spill it. And then, right, where'd it go? Okay, right here is for my oil catch can. That's up there. Previous owner hooked this up. It's pretty nice. It just drains right out. Pretty neat. But that's how you change the oil in the LSA G8. So you need a 13, not a 1/2 inch, 13 millimeter. Takes it right on off. Shout out Tecton. Wish I was sponsored. So as you can see, filter's over there. My dad took one for the team to take it off. This is leaking. That's how the women be when they see this G8 pull up. That's messy. Real messy. It'd probably recommended to use some gloves if you're a wimp like myself.
If I could get that rag over there, get oil all over the place.
His hands gonna be dirt, smell like oil for 3 months. So now after you let it drain, you'll want to put your brand new Mobil one or whatever you decide to use, filter back in there. And take your handy dandy filter wrench and tighten her up. Alright, last step. Of course, pour the oil in there. I'm gonna stop filming so I can actually do it. It's hard to do it and film, so last step, of course. Some nice Mobil one. Funnel. Run the motor, power, bald eagles.
Double cup, big comparing holy nuts. I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth and it's my weed. I check the bitch like I'm Mari. Sorry bitch, I don't say sorry. Look at my